Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen, on the current watch face basically, to open the watch face menu. And here you can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces. Find the watch face you like to use and simply tap on it to apply it, like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces, so let's open the watch face menu again. And under the some of the watch faces you have this edit icon. You can tap on it, and here we can change a couple of things. For example, widgets, we can change them. You can select one by tapping on it, like this. And once you select the widget, simply swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets. Select the one you like. Let's do it for all of them, so change them one by one. And once you're done, simply press the side button to apply your watch face, as you can see. Okay. You can also change the watch face via the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. On our phone, let's open the Zap app. In the app, let's tap on Profile. Select our GTS 2 Mini from the list of devices. Then tap on Store. Here tap on Watch Face Management. And right here we have a list of watch faces available on our watch. We can select one by tapping on it. And once you select it, it's gonna be applied on your watch. Like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.